Aloha everybody, Tracie here. How's it? How you doing? We're continuing on with our puke e ai I kekahi e kāpī I kekahi. So remember last week we talked about this man who was thinking about his small kid time when he was a little boy. This video is going to be devoted to the word holoholo. E ho'opili mai holoholo mai kai. The first sentence of this puke says he mea puna hele ia'u ka hele ana I ka holoholo I ko uwa li'ili'i. One more time, hana ho. He mea puna hele ia'u ka hele ana I ka holoholo I ko uwa li'ili'i. And so what it says is, or what he's saying is, when I was little, one of my favorite things to do was to go to the ocean. And it's pretty interesting because that word holoholo in the dictionaries, holoholo means to go for a walk, a ride or sail, or to go out for pleasure, stroll, promenade. I don't know what is promenade, but, and I'm not gonna read you the whole book, otherwise I'm gonna get in trouble, okay? If you wanna read it, you go buy it. E ai I kekahi, e kāpī I kekahi. But why am I talking about that word holoholo for this video? Holoholo does mean all those things, but remember, I was telling you, when he was a little boy, he was planning to go where? To the ocean. And in the definition that I know that's not in the dictionary, holoholo means that you're going to go fishing. But why would Hawaiians not say, oh, I'm gonna go fishing? Why not? Why would they say, I'm gonna go holoholo? Because in the mindset that we're talking about, the Hawaiian mindset and the foreign mindset, in the Hawaiian mindset, there's some things that you wouldn't say out loud. So let me tell you this story. When I was a little girl, I went to visit my auntie. My auntie lives on Kauai. She's my favorite auntie. And my auntie and my cousins were gonna go fishing. And so I asked my auntie, Auntie, where is my cousin them? Where is my cousin them gonna go? She goes, oh, they're gonna go holoholo. And I said, yeah, but I thought they were gonna go fishing. She goes, yes, they're gonna go holoholo. And I said, yeah, but I thought you said they're gonna go fishing. She said, yes, they're going holoholo. And then it took me several times to think, oh, holoholo means they're gonna go fishing. And what I learned as I got older is the reason why you wouldn't say that you're gonna go fishing is because when you go to the beach and you see fish or you wanna go fishing, what do you have to be? You have to be quiet, right? And in the Hawaiian mindset, you wouldn't say, I'm gonna go fishing, because I don't wanna call it a superstition, but the fishes might hear you. And so for Hawaiians, the words that we speak out of our waha are very important, but we have to be mindful of the words that we speak. Remember the ʻōlelo-language from Kaipo'i's video? It says, ika ʻōlelo keola, ika ʻōlelo kamake. What that means is in language or in words, there's life, and in words, there is death. So for Hawaiians, words are very important. And that's why in this video, holoholo, I'm gonna go have fun, or I'm gonna go cruise around, meaning I'm gonna go fishing, but you wouldn't say it. Now in the foreign mindset, or in also the Western mindset, Westerners will say exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do that. They're very specific in their ʻōlelo. But for Hawaiians, there's a lot of things that are meant to be not spoken. Yeah? Ika ʻōlelo no keola, ika ʻōlelo no kamake. So this video is dedicated to my auntie. My mom and my auntie are my two favorite wahine in the whole world. I get a lot of ʻike, which is knowledge, and a lot of waiwai from them. But I just want in this video that if I'm teaching you ʻōlelo Hawaii, if I'm teaching you Hawaiian words, I'm also teaching you a Hawaiian mindset. Hopefully a good Hawaiian mindset that says there's some things that we don't have to say. So if you're gonna go holoholo, have fun. I hope you catch a lot of i'a out there. And next week we'll be talking about our puke, continuing on with e ai I kekahi, e kāpī, i ke kahi. So until next time, aloha.